So I've been using the Zello app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review of the Zello app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how the Zello app works. Zello essentially turns your smartphone into a push-to-talk walkie-talkie, but with some modern upgrades. Unlike traditional walkie-talkies, you're not limited by range. Zello works wherever you have a cellular signal or Wi-Fi, making it super versatile for both personal and professional use. One of the app's standout features is the ability to create channels where you can speak to multiple people at once. This is perfect for group conversations or team coordination. Each channel can support up to 1,200 users, which is impressive for large teams or communities. Plus, there are public channels where you can engage with strangers or listen in on different topics. But let's keep it real, it's not all smooth sailing. There are some cons to consider. For example, if your phone dies or you lose your phone, you won't be able to use the app, which can be a problem in crucial moments. Some users have also pointed out that the initial setup for enterprise use can be a bit unintuitive, though once you're up and running, it's generally pretty smooth. Another downside is that the app lacks firmware upgrades, which could limit its functionality over time. On the bright side, Zello also lets you send text and images, adding another layer of functionality beyond just voice communication. And if you happen to miss a message, you can replay it, which is super helpful if you're in a noisy environment. Overall, Zello is highly regarded for its ease of use, range of features, and reliability, especially in professional settings like dispatch teams or field communication. As always, it's a good idea to speak with an expert before making any big decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.